Hello everyone, welcome to Envision the Vision. Hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. With the acceptance of Western culture in our lives these days, we all are keen to accept every aspect of it, be it cultural, lifestyle, whatever. So, as we all know, it's time for Halloween, which is a similar occasion or ritual we celebrate in India known as Diwali in the very same time. Hence, today I decided to recycle few of the unused products in my house and prepare a Halloween decor. As I understand, these available decor items in market are pretty costly. I heard from my friends who stays in the Western countries that they spend hundreds of dollars for these decor items. I took a pottery item from the waste, few colors, sticks and an unused t-shirt which used to be my favorite. I painted the pot as a demon face and decorated it with plastic flowers. I understand it's a demon, but after all it's their festival, right? We celebrate this festival in honor to these demons. I made it wear my t-shirt and hung it outside my balcony. So while I celebrate the Diwali, I will decorate them with the lights and definitely I'll share it with all of you. So you tell me now, how much dollar worth is my handmade Halloween decor? And if you like my idea, do let me know in comments. For now, thank you for watching, and if you're watching me on YouTube, please like, share and subscribe, and viewers on Facebook, please do like, share and follow my page and keep me motivated. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed and enjoy the festival of lights.